Welcome back to the Roy Garage. In today's video, you guys are going to see a conglomeration of video and pictures of what we did to this garage before, during, and after. Let's get started. Let's get started. Now, picture this, the end vision of Leroy's garage, painted white. We have some gray and white shiplap over here. Get this place looking really nice so that way when you guys tune in to another episode of the Roy Garage, you guys don't get distracted. You got this, I believe in you.
I'm Nate, the new intern here at the Roy Garage, and I'm gonna help take down these shelves.
Dude, bro, you got fireworks. Oh, you thinking what I'm thinking? Hell yeah, brother.
You guys are gonna do something. Stop!
We need more! Emily!
We need our help.
We need marketing help. You have what you have to show her?
I don't. Now you have to clean this all up, Lee. Look.
What you doing there, Leroy? Clean it up after our shenanigans.
Leave those people there.
All right, guys, I got Jake Roy here on my left, the Terminator on my Ricky here, and we got all the cabinets moved. Now we are going to mud the walls and then paint the walls.
Welcome back. Today, I really want to play some Call of Duty, but before I do that, I want to get a little mud on the walls.
Let's just see how far this gets us. Today, we are working on painting the walls, the ceilings, and the cabinets.
Lee, what are you doing there?
So we didn't have anything for the brushes for the paint, so getting creative here. Found these, what are these 2-liter soda pop bottles here, cutting the bottom half off. Did one already. Where'd it go? Kaylee's cleaning it out, so I'm gonna go ahead and make another one here.
Nice.
Pour the paint in, dip the brush in, start painting. So Jake and I tried to get a time lapse, and we realized after we had painted this whole wall, that wall, and started working along here, it stopped after 3 seconds. 3 seconds because Jake doesn't have enough space on his phone. Jake, get a new phone. Got the cabinets. Thank you, Kaylee. Thank you, Jake. Thank you, Emily. Emily and Kaylee painted the cabinets. That wall needs shiplap. Welcome back to the Roy Garage. Today we're going to be placing the cabinets on the floor, and if I've got time, I might work on setting the cabinets up on the wall. First things first, we're going to start in the corner over here and work our way this way. Alright guys, so we got the first cabinet installed. We got the fridge at the right height. Now, see if I can get this one put into position. This bad boy put up there, nice and firm. Oh yeah. Now let's see if we can get this bad boy up there. Alright guys, my old camera died here. We got this one standing upright, the fridge at about the level I want it. We got this cabinet sitting good. This one, I accidentally mounted it a little too high. Not perfect guys, but slow and steady. Just keep hacking away every single day, trying to improve the Roy Garage here. And yeah, we'll catch you guys next time on the Roy Garage. On the Roy Garage. Make sure you punch that subscribe button, smash that like button so more people see this video. Thank you guys. We'll catch you next time.